Shocking. iPhone 16 stops at 60 Hz, disappointing or bold strategy? At 10 a.m. on September 9, 2024, US time, Apple officially launched the iPhone 16 at its annual event held at Steve Jobs Theater, Apple Park. This was a launch that attracted global attention when introducing not only the iPhone 16 series, but also other popular products such as Apple Watch Series 10, Apple Watch Ultra 2 and AirPods 4. However, the iPhone 16 surprised when Apple decided to keep the screen refresh rate at 60 Hz for the standard versions, even though users expected a bigger improvement in this area. This is a highlight that makes many users question Apple's strategy. When competitors have increased the refresh rate to 90 Hz or 120 Hz on popular product lines, is the iPhone 16 still keeping the 60 Hz level a step backward? Or is it part of a plan to keep the technology gap between the standard and Pro lines? While the iPhone 16 offers a number of performance and battery life improvements, the decision to stick with a 60 Hz display on the base models may disappoint some users. Meanwhile, the iPhone 16 Pro line is equipped with a 120 Hz display, providing a smoother experience, creating a clear distinction between product segments. However, this event still affirms Apple's leading position in the smartphone industry, with many improvements in performance and advanced technology. Will keeping the 60 Hz screen enough to retain iFans? Or is this the time for users to consider carefully before upgrading? Here are 4 reasons why Apple has wisely not upgraded the screen refresh rate on the iPhone 16 series, keeping it at 60 Hz and 120 Hz compared to the previous generation. LTPS panel. Perfection in image stabilization. Apple does not stop at LTPS, low-temperature polysilicon, panel technology, but also maximizes its static refresh capability. This ensures smooth, sharp images without any interference or quality loss. On iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus, with a refresh rate of 60 Hz, every movement on the screen is still mesmerizingly smooth, making users feel like they are gliding on calm water. LTPO panels, exclusive Pro-specific intricacy if you're dreaming of a 120 Hz display. Check out the Pro models. LTPO panels not only offer a faster refresh rate, but they also offer a subtle difference in smoothness. However, this intricacy comes at a significantly higher manufacturing cost. To keep the iPhone 16 series price reasonable, Apple has wisely not used this panel on non-Pro models, a strategic decision. Advanced technology ensures the ultimate experience even without upgrading the refresh rate. Apple still equips the iPhone 16 series with advanced technology to help the visual experience reach the peak. The powerful A17 chip not only helps graphics and multitasking run smoothly, but also turns every moment of gaming into a satisfying experience. Along with that, haptic touch, a subtle but sharp improvement that replaces 3D touch, brings a sensitive and delicate feel, while reducing production costs without losing the sophistication of the screen. Refresh rate. The difference is alluring whether you're using the iPhone 15 Plus with 60 Hz or the Pro models with 120 Hz. The difference in refresh rate is actually hard to notice unless you put them side by side. This proves that, even at 60 Hz, the iPhone still delivers a visual experience that's, wow, enough to satisfy users. High or low refresh rates don't have much of an impact on the smoothness in the eyes of the average user. iPhone 16 revealed in real life. Surprised with completely new design and color. New design. The design of the iPhone 16 is a blend of luxury and practicality, making it a true work of art in the smartphone world. With ultra-thin screen edges, the screen-to-body ratio is perfectly optimized, allowing users to immerse themselves in a large image space without sacrificing the neatness of the device. The screen is larger, the experience is wider, but the size still fits in the hand, something Apple has done extremely skillfully. The iPhone 16 is not only about appearance but also impresses with its super cool OLED Super Retina XDR screen technology. With a 6.1-inch full OLED size, the iPhone 16 offers a sharp display that is like touching every pixel. The resolution reaches 2556 x 1179 pixels. Pixel density of 460 pixels per inch. Every image on the screen is razor sharp. From daily web surfing to playing high graphics games. All of which make users' eyes wide open, because of the detail and vividness. Not only beautiful, iPhone 16 also has a durable body, with a high-quality aluminum alloy frame and super durable tempered glass. This frame is not only more scratch-resistant, but also brings a glossy, luxurious feeling, enhancing the value of the owner. This is the reason why iPhone 16 always makes users nod in praise every time they hold it in their hands. In particular, although the Pro Max version has a huge screen of up to 6.7 inches, Apple has magically designed the device to keep it surprisingly neat and light. This is thanks to the use of advanced materials and optimization of internal components, making the iPhone 16 not only beautiful but also light, providing a comfortable feeling when used all day long without tiring your hands. Action button on all 4 iPhone 16 models. Apple introduced an action button to replace the volume rocker switch on the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max last year. This year, the company plans to bring the button to all 4 iPhone 16 models. According to MacRumors, the action button on the 2 standard iPhone models will work similarly to the current Pro version, with the basic setting being a sound mode switch. Users can set it to activate some features such as launching applications, turning on the flashlight, turning on the recorder. Apple can also upgrade the feature, allowing more actions instead of limiting it to a specific action at a time like it is now. Breakthrough camera system. The iPhone 16 camera system is not just an upgrade, but a revolutionary step forward in photography technology. Thanks to the integration of intelligent artificial intelligence, AI, iPhone 16 is able to recognize and automatically adjust perfectly for each type of scene, from artistic portraits, majestic landscapes to attractive dishes. AI not only adjusts brightness and color, but also optimizes the elements to bring professional photos with amazing quality. iPhone 16's night mode makes even low light conditions no challenge for the camera, making every moment vivid and clear. The notable difference lies in the camera cluster between the regular and Pro versions. The regular iPhone 16 has a sleek vertical dual lens design, while the iPhone 16 Pro is equipped with a powerful triple lens system with a 48 megapixels Fusion main camera. Fusion technology not only allows flexible switching between 48 megapixels and 24 megapixels based on light, but also brings absolute detail in every frame. For wide-angle enthusiasts, the iPhone 16 Pro continues to score with its super sharp 48 megapixels ultra-wide camera and 120-degree wide-angle view, capturing every majestic scene. Furthermore, the ability to record 4K video at 120 FPS delivers superior image quality. Not only smooth but also extremely sharp in every movement. The highlight that cannot be ignored is the 5x telephoto camera on the iPhone 16 Pro. With impressive optical zoom capabilities that still maintain exquisite sharpness even when zoomed at maximum. This is a breakthrough that allows users to enjoy the premium features of the Pro Max line in a more compact and accessible device, making the iPhone 16 the perfect choice for anyone looking to elevate their mobile photography experience. Revolutionizing the experience, camera control. Camera control on iPhone 16 is considered to revolutionize the photography experience. Camera control helps you quickly access the camera and capture beautiful moments. Customize camera settings by quickly sliding the touch, and take full control of the camera at your fingertips. With gentle sliding touches, you feel like you are using a digital camera that actively adjusts camera functions such as exposure or depth of field and switches between lenses or uses the digital zoom feature to align the frame, to enjoy the moment in the most complete and quality way. Impressive colors. This year's iPhone 16 series not only impresses with its new features but also with its diverse and unique color palette. Suitable for many users. Not only do they wear traditional colors but also unique colors with the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. The lapis lazuli color is predicted to be a favorite choice of many people. The blue color is soothing to the eyes but also unique and sophisticated. Suitable for those who love peace and gentleness. As for the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max, the Desert Titan color is predicted to create a fever in the high-end phone market. With a warm, Luxurious yellow tone. The Desert Titan color scores with its strangeness, uniqueness and class. iPhone 16 series. Mobile version. Big battery. Fast charging. AI explosion. Apple Intelligence. The performance difference of the iPhone 16 comes mainly from the new A18 Bionic chip, manufactured on the most advanced 3nm process. This chip is not only faster but also consumes less energy, helping to improve battery life and user experience. Speed and efficiency. A18 Bionic helps the iPhone 16 process up to 25% faster than the previous generation, with 6 CPU cores and 5 GPU cores. The iPhone 16 can handle multitasking smoothly, from simple applications to heavy tasks such as editing 4K videos, playing high graphics games. AI and machine learning. One of the important differences is the powerful AI and machine learning capabilities. The iPhone 16 has a 16-core neural engine, supporting complex AI applications such as facial recognition, image analysis, and creating interactive content through AR, VR. Smart power saving. Not only is it faster, the A18 chip also has intelligent power management capabilities, optimizing performance and helping to save battery. This is a big plus for users who need to use their devices continuously. iPhone 16 series. The iPhone line with the best battery life ever. Apple has officially introduced the iPhone 16 series, with the biggest improvement being superior battery life thanks to the optimization of larger battery capacity, new internal design, and advanced power management from iOS 18. This is the product line with Apple's best battery life ever, surpassing even the iPhone 15 generation. Impressive battery life increase for all versions. Apple has increased battery life for all models in the iPhone 16 series compared to the iPhone 15. Specifically, each announced device has at least an additional hour of video playback, with more significant improvements for the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Users can watch online videos for 2 to 4 hours longer depending on the device, along with longer audio playback for the iPhone 16 Pro models. Apple highlights battery improvements on the iPhone 16 series product page, and has a special feature that lets users compare battery life between the new models and previous generations. For example, upgrading from the iPhone 12 mini to the iPhone 16 gives users up to 7 more hours of use. Supports fast charging and MagSafe technology. In addition to improving battery life, the iPhone 16 series also supports faster 25W MagSafe charging, which can charge 50% of the battery in just 30 minutes. This is the first time Apple has integrated fast charging into wireless charging, along with a power adapter of 30W or higher. In addition, this iPhone line also supports Qi 2 charging with a capacity of 15W, similar to the previous generation of MagSafe, with powerful improvements in battery life and fast charging capabilities. The iPhone 16 series is not only a performance masterpiece but also provides a long-lasting user experience, meeting all needs from work to entertainment. Thank you for watching the whole video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to receive the earliest video. You can watch more videos on the right or left side of the screen. I will leave many offers below in the comments and video description.